Hi, and welcome to another Hopper on 6502 video. This one is part of the 65 Arena playlist, and the point of this video is to explain to you how to install the Hopper 6502 assembler toolchain onto your Windows machine. This 65 Arena is a little board that's designed and built by Anders Nielsen, andersnielsen.com. I'll link to him in the description. And then the next video in this series will show you how to use the toolchain to build your first program, and so that you too can get a little green blinking light on your device. Okay, let's get on with it. How do you install the Hopper toolchain on your Windows computer? Well, I'll put the link to the Hopper releases on GitHub in the description. You can download the zip file, which has the latest tested build. Or you can just clone the entire Hopper repo, which amounts to the same thing, but then you'll have the latest stuff that I've been working on rather than a tested build. So I recommend using one of the releases. So if we download this zip file, it's got a Windows executable in it that's not signed because I haven't got around to getting a certificate yet. So I get this suspicious download blocked, so I can say download it anyway. And it's finished downloading it, so let's open that in Explorer. Here's our zip file. I'm just going to, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to extract it to my desktop like that. And it's going to warn me again about the unsigned executable. But thankfully, we've got accountability since it came from my GitHub. And I'm the only one who can access my GitHub, so there's at least a paper trail back to where this came from, so it's less likely to be malicious. All right, let's open that folder. So the way the Hopper environment works is everything that exists for Hopper is in this little folder, and you can put it anywhere. And then once you open the Hopper console, it only knows about this folder. It can't get beyond this folder. Its universe is limited to this folder, but it also has the advantage of making it very obvious where stuff is in the folder, where the source code is, where the debug stuff is, where the binaries are. In the bin folder, there is a single executable here, and we can create a shortcut on the desktop for that. So there we go, we've got a desktop shortcut for it. Now, as soon as I try and run this, I think I'm going to get another warning from Windows to tell me that it's that this is not signed. So let's run it and see. Yeah, we get a warning. Fortunately, we only see this once. We just click run anyway. And there we go. That's our Hopper console. And the Hopper console can't escape from that little source tree. It doesn't know about the rest of your computer. Let's go and see, and this, so now I know where everything is. So go to the source, go to projects, go to the 65 Arena project, edit my Blink example. So this is the IDE, the development environment that you've just installed. First thing you're going to want to do is switch some options. So run the optimizer, run the disassembler, save on build. So if you make a change and then save, and then there's this defined to say you're running on the 65 Arena. Anyway, and all the shortcuts are here in the menus. So build was F7, so I can just press build here. And at the bottom of the screen, very quickly, it went through all the steps: assembling, optimizing. If I press again, you'll see this keeps changing. Assembling, optimizing, code generation, and then disassembly. So let's go and look at the disassembly. And because I know where everything is, I know there's a listing in the debug folder for blink.lst. There we go. And that's the code that was generated. So that's the end of this video. I've explained to you how to get the Hopper development environment up and running on your Windows computer. In the next video in this series, in this playlist, I'll show you how to get that little blinky light going, so that you can actually get some code onto your 65 Arena board from a Windows GUI style development environment. Thanks for watching, and let's move on to the next one.